I discovered this thing, and yesterday saved today. If you start in the day, you know it's windy, headwind, just put it on. And it weighs nothing, you can have it in a pocket or somewhere handy. I put it on now, I take it off when I pitch a tent. After I pitch a tent, shut down, take it off. Okay, now it's secure into place. To put it on, to kind of like put the balaclava over it. Once it's in place, it's here to stay, no problem, all day long. Yesterday I had a fantastic experience with this thing not fogging my sunglasses, especially not outside when the wind is hitting you. So far so good, it's not fogging my sunglasses, which was my main concern. I think, guys, you know this is important, right? You need to blow your nose. Excuse me. Do you think with gloves, this is like your normal face mask? Another hat here, the hood, impossible to access this small thing when you're gonna be wearing some of your gloves. I need to take off the balaclava to put this in place. You think when it's truly windy, when you need this, you want to do this? To me, it's exclusively for windy days like today, headwind, and I'm heading towards the wind. Then you're traveling with this cheeks cover. You don't need your goggles. That help a lot with the cheeks. Why not? It's just great.